Hey, it's Brett. I've been doing a lot of record stuff lately, but I've got to get back into some repairs. Gonna start with this Marantz Model 22. I've had this thing sitting around for quite a long time, and I need to get it going. Um, so I was going to kind of take you through the steps of what's going to go on with this. We'll see. I know that I have plugged it into my dim bulb tester with my isolation transformer, and it does come up okay. So I did that part out in the shop, and now I've moved into my garage where I'm going to do some work here. But anyway, I just thought I'd kind of show you what it looks like at first, and then I'll open it up and we'll take a look there. But power's on, relay clicks. I can't remember what year this is from. Probably 70. I'm not really sure. I'll have to look that up. Like I said, it's been sitting in my under my pinball machines for so long I forget. But it's 40 watts. It says that right on the thing there. So nothing super fancy, but I thought I'd show you how to open it up. And what we'll start with is we're going to rebuild the power supply. That'll be the first thing we'll do, and we'll take a look at the inside and see what else is there. All right. Hope you enjoy this. And I'll do this in a few installments. That way, if someone has a question on something, I can maybe look into that and try to help someone out with some information. Hey, another quick little trick I thought I'd show. You're out garage selling or whatever, and you want to check a unit. You know, you hear a relay click, but you want to know, hey, is there any DC voltage on this puppy coming out the if it's gone high or something. So a quick way to do, I always carry a meter in my car anyway. Hook up to the ground spot. I have the main speakers on right now. Set your meter to some DC millivolt action. Turn the puppy on. Let's hear it click. There it goes. What are we showing? About negative on that side. And negative 13. So we'll have to adjust our DC offset anyway to see where it's at, but I just thought I'd show you a quick little trick there to check receivers while you're out and about. Okay, I have the unit flipped over. Always have something soft to put it on so you're not scratching up the cases. Usually you have 4 screws, so this one has 2. I'm going to take those out. Sometimes the feet are in place where you hook up the wood casing to the frame. When you go back to just a metal casing only, if your feet are the part that's holding it on, make sure you go to the shorter screws. The longer screws that are used could go through and short out some electronics. I'm sure you're all taking out screws, so it's not too hard to do. We'll get those out. I'll have to find 2 more for the front part just so it looks right and it's in there secured. Once you have those out, I have to get some boxes. I don't have my boxes here. Flip the unit back over, and then the unit will slide out the front. So make sure we're still getting that. Yep, the unit will just slide right out the front here for you, and you just pull the cord with it and you'll be all good to go. So just kind of like that, and we'll pull it on the way out. So I'm gonna get it all the way out and we'll pick up from there. All right, we're back here showing the power supply. The P800 board right here has various components on there. I need to see what capacitors I do have in stock. I probably have some of the, let me lean forward a little bit, some of the smaller electrolytics down here. I'm not sure I have some 1000 at 50 mics or at 50 volts in stock for these 2 big guys here. I'll have to look and see what I have. I'm also going to check our voltages on our transistors here. We have 4 right there. Make sure our voltages are good. In case anybody is wondering again what the different transistors are, you see on our drawing here, our emitters are all coming out. So these are all NPN transistors. And if there was a PNP, our emitter would be coming in. We have on this board, we have some small signal transistors, a small switching transistor, and power transistors. The different types of cases, the TO220, that's your typical one. That is this one down here. That's your typical TO220. The TO92s are the 2 smaller guys here and here. This one here, I think is a TO5. Oh, I'm not sure. I think it is, though, once I get it out of there. A lot of people are used to the TO3s, the big power amp transistors, which I do not see any on this board right now on this unit here. So anyway, let me see what parts I have, and we'll come back to the power supply. If you have any questions on that, write me and let me know.